Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica and leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, is suing senior members of the opposition People's National Party, PNP, in a defamation lawsuit. The legal action stems from statements made by PNP officials at a recent press conference, where they alleged that Holness had misled the public regarding his awareness of an Integrity Commission probe into allegations of illicit enrichment. At the heart of the controversy lies a statement made by Holness on August 17, 2023, when he publicly claimed he was not aware of any investigation into members of his party concerning illicit enrichment. However, just one day later, on August 18, 2023, Holness was informed by the Integrity Commission that he was, in fact, under investigation. Holness's legal team, in a detailed timeline, insists that his August 17th statement was truthful at the time, as the official notification came a day later. This raises a critical question. Why did Andrew Holness remain silent after learning on August 18th that he was under investigation? Despite receiving the formal communication from the Integrity Commission, the Prime Minister did not issue a public statement acknowledging this new information. His silence from that point forward has fueled criticism, with opponents questioning why he withheld this information from the public. Now, Holness seeks legal redress based on the timeline of events, arguing that the PNP's claims are defamatory. His lawsuit hinges on the dates of communication, asserting that his statement on August 17th was accurate, and that any allegations suggesting otherwise are false. However, the question remains, even though Holness may have spoken the truth on August 17th, did his decision to remain silent after learning of the investigation on August 18th contribute to public distrust? As the lawsuit progresses, the focus will likely shift to whether Holness's actions after August 18th justify the opposition's criticisms, and whether legal action can truly vindicate the Prime Minister in the court of public opinion.